Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So today we have my FabFitFun Winter 2025 unboxing. It actually got here really fast. So I am an annual subscriber and mine closed the 27th or 28th of October, but the seasonal subscription just closed yesterday on November 11th. I'm filming this on the evening of November 12th. So I got it November 12th. Don't know actually when it's gonna go up, but it got here pretty fast. This was probably the fastest it's gotten here. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so before we get into what I got in my box, I do a spoiler video once all the spoilers are released, and I'll post that up here. I'm gonna go through the items fairly quickly. I'm not gonna kind of go through each one like I do in the spoiler video. I will touch on which there were throwbacks. There were quite a bit of throwbacks that were added, and there were some that were added even after the initial customization. So my customization opened on the 24th of October, I believe, on a Friday, and I went in over the course of the weekend, and there were several times that there were new throwbacks. So I did put them on a post at some point. I think maybe that Sunday that I did post like what the throwbacks were and what had been added. And actually, this is the first time there were throwbacks in every single category. So, you know, I thought that was interesting too. But so far I'm very happy with my box. However, one item did become damaged, so I have contacted, and I'll talk about that, but I have contacted FabFitFun. I have not gotten a response yet, but again, I just got the box today. So as soon as I noticed it was damaged, I contacted them. All of my other experiences, they've made it right, but right now I don't have a resolution. So I will post it in the comments below once I do get a resolution. So, and then also just as a reminder, you know, if you want to subscribe to FabFitFun, I do have a referral link. And then also I do have some starter boxes left for this quarter. So if you want a starter box, you have to have never been a FabFitFun member before. You will have to pay for shipping. I get no credit for it. I just submit your name and your email to FabFitFun. They will send you a link to sign up. You do automatically sign up for a seasonal subscription when you accept the starter box. You just need to make sure you cancel it before the next season. So just FYI about that. But I know a lot of people have done that. Some people really like it and they decide to do the seasonal subscription, but just know that by getting the starter box, you are signing up for a seasonal subscription. So you just have to contact me either through Instagram or my website. You can go to my website, shannonford.com, and there's a contact us form there. I do need your full name and your email, but that's it. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on what was in this box and what I picked. Okay, so let's start with customization number one. The add-ons ended up being $19 each, and the swap credit was $15 each. And we had the bubble blankets, the TULA Skincare, the Future Society perfume, some baking dish, glasses. Goop had a exfoliator. Then you had the LUXE choice from Fenty. We also had the lip treatment from Dr. Dennis Gross, then the slippers, and then the credit. So what I chose the slippers, which is what I thought I was going to get, and I really like them. Now I wear an 8.5. I have made the mistake before of sizing up. I'm not close to a 9. I'm probably closer to an 8 than a 9, but I have worn 9 in some shoes. However, I've sized up before in slippers and I always regret it. So I did get a size 8 and they fit perfect. One of the things I like, now these are slippers, obviously they're slippers, but the sole is for outside. So I really like that, so that if I need to go get the mail or I just want to take my son to school and I just need to put something, so these are going to go right next to the front door, and I'm going to use these whenever I need to go outside. But I really like them and they seem very cozy, so I really like them. And they're pretty sturdy. So far these are really good. They also were some throwbacks that were added that I didn't have They were added over the course of the weekend. And there was the Origins Youthtopia Peptide Plumping Apple Cream, which was $54, and the GoopGenes All-in-One Super Nutrient Face Oil. And I ended up getting that. It was, this is $105, and I looked and it actually is $105. And a lot of people, you know, said it was really good. So I did purchase this. I did this as an add-on. Well, I have a lot of skincare. I'm a sucker for a good facial oil, and especially in the drier months, even though I live in Florida, my face can get dry. So I was like, okay, I'm a sucker for a good oil. And so far, I really like it. I just got it today. It smells really nice, but it seems to be very nourishing. Again, it's hard to kind of talk about a facial oil. But it smells really nice, and the reviews on it were really good. So I picked that up for $19, and then I did get the Intentional Blank Apres slippers, and so far I really like them. Okay, moving on to customization number 2. The add-ons here were $18 and the swap credit was $14. So we had the Perricone MD eyelid lift serum, then you had a purse, the bowls, the Skin Fix exfoliating pads, you had a marble tray, candle, some pajamas, the Let Me Grow capsules, and then we had some throwbacks from Ilia, their bronzers. And there was also another throwback, which was the Glass House Company ribbed glasses set of 2. Those were $79. The bronzers from Ilia was $38, but I didn't get either of those. I got the candle. So the Voluspa Noble Fir Garland candle, and I am so happy with this. First of all, look at the packaging. Like this just says Christmas, and it is just a beautiful packaging. But when I tell you, the candle is amazing. Now this says it is worth $30. I would totally spend $30 on this. So beautiful candle, beautiful glass vase here. Looks like a Christmas tree when you look it up close. You've got the description here. But even when you just open the box, it smells like Christmas. It is amazing. I don't even think you would have to light this. I probably will, but this just, I smell this and I wish I had bought another one of these. Now I was thinking maybe I would gift this, totally not gifting this. I am totally using this for myself. I love it. It's just amazing. So I always said before, be iffy on candles because some candles, but I knew this brand and I've had these brands of candles before and they're amazing. And this one, I mean, again, the aroma just, you know, permeates the room without even lighting it. So happy with this. So perfect for the winter box. Really happy. My only regret with this is that I didn't purchase more at the $18 price. Okay, moving on to customization number 3. The add-ons were $14. The swap credit was $9. So we had the polished jar, marble coasters. You had the Bobbi Brown enriched moisturizer, the Swell tumbler, favorite daughter beanie, the Color Wow Dream Coat. You had 2 different powders from one size, as well as the Luxe Choice of the Foreo UFO. Then you also had the Kayla Gray Scentstones, the Skylar Vanilla Sky Rollerball, and I chose the Scentstones, which is what I thought I was going to get. And I love, if you were getting this as a gift, this is a beautiful gift. Now this says it is worth $48. I don't know if I would spend $48, maybe $30 I think is a good price. Definitely the add-on price of $14. Again, I kind of wish I had gotten more of these as a gift, but it looks like that it did have a little thing in here when you put it in. Now this was, it did come sealed. I did already open it, but what you do, and I'm going to use it on here first. So this is the fragrance, this is the scent stone, and what you do is you just take it and then you're going to do like 10 drops. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll just do 5 for now. But you put it on there and it lets it absorb into the scent stone, and then it's going to you know, have the smell. And I got a stone like this, but that was already pre-scented. So this is the different one where you add the scent. So I really like this, you know, just you can put this anywhere. Like you can take this on vacation. So again, another thing is I wish I had gotten more of these. I wish I had gotten at least one more, but really like this, really great gift, but very, very happy with that. Now the other thing, I did get one add-on, and this is the item that is damaged. So, and it's not damaged, you'll see what I mean. So this is the Color Wow. I talked about this, that it's an amazing product. I said I was going to get it. Super happy, but it came like this. You'll see the top is missing. So the top came in 3 different pieces. Now, I first thought when I was like, oh, it just snapped off. I just got to snap it off, but it won't. And I can't, let's see, I can't do it without it spraying. So when I do it, it doesn't click. So it's not clicking. So it almost looks like, okay, yeah, it could still work, but it doesn't stay on. It's completely broken off. So I tried to snap it on, I thought, but it's completely broken off. So I don't know why, because I've had this happen before with other products. So, but yeah, so, and I like to travel with these. So this is, you know, plus, you know, even though you're supposed to get things like that aren't broken, and it wasn't wrapped or anything, it was kind of just loose in the box. So I'm not really surprised that it broke. But like I said, I did contact FabFitFun because it was an add-on and I paid $14 for it. Unfortunately, I think what they're gonna just do is they're probably just gonna give me my $14 back, which really stinks because I'm not gonna be able to buy this for $14. But you know, it is what it is. But that's what I expect will happen. So, but you know, let me know if you got the Color Wow. Did yours come intact or did yours break too? Because again, I wish it had just been taped. I think if it had just had a little piece of Scotch tape, it probably would have been fine. Unfortunately, it didn't, and mine arrived broken. Okay, next up was customization number 4, and the add-ons were $11. The swap credit was $7. So we had the Great Plate set. You had House Labs, had lip glaze in 2 different shades. The Atika Dropping Crystals necklace in either gold or silver. Then you had Spectrum, their sponge and puff set. NARS had the blush in 4 different shades. Honeydew Intimates had undies 3 packs in different sizes. Then you had a digital offer from Rent the Runway. You had the Darling Society silicone trivet set. And then you had 2 throwbacks, which was the Bala Bangles capsule sliders and the AK London deodorant in Orange Grove. So I ended up choosing what I thought I was going to choose. This was the category that I just nothing really called to me. So I ended up getting the necklace. This is the Atika necklace. It is silver plated, yeah, silver plated necklace, and it's really cute. But I will probably gift this. My son is 10 and we got a lot of birthday parties, and since I have a son and not a daughter, I really don't know, and a lot of them are into jewelry, so I will probably save this for, you know, a future birthday party for one of his friends that's a girl. But it's really cute. I just don't wear necklaces that often, and as well as I have some that I really like. So but I think it's really cute, and you know, for the $11 add-on price, it was good. And there was a lot of good things in there, but I just didn't need any makeup. But that was the only category that I was kind of like on. Okay, next up was customization number 5. The add-ons here were also $11 and the swap credit was $7. So we had the Unhide Softy Socks, a 2-pair. Then you had the Briogeo Dry Shampoo, the Patchology Travel Set, the Bell Sniffer. Then you also had the EV supplement, the Luxe choice of the Patrick Ta lip gloss duos. You had Studio No cards. Then you had a digital offer of a pup box. Then you had By Rosie Jane Calm or Wake Body Bath Oil. Then you had the Spongels like mystery scent. I love those. And then you had 2 throwbacks with the Geometry Fitness Towel and the Nails Ink set. So I actually have both the Fitness Towel and the nail set, the Nails Ink Duo set, and I love both. So I was actually thinking about maybe picking up an extra one of those. However, I'm really not working out as much, so I really don't need more than 1 towel, to be honest, unfortunately. And then I'm halfway through the Nails Ink, and while I know I will really use it again. I'm really trying not to purchase backups. Like, I'm not trying to purchase backups before I need them. So that's a bad habit that I've done, and I end up like having all these products that I never use. So I'm just not doing that anymore. So I really resisted and did not do that. So I got exactly what I thought, which was the Hythe Softy Socks, and they did not disappoint. So I have not tried them on. They're still obviously in the package, but they feel amazing. And somebody in my spoilers video said that they were amazing. So I was like, you know, thank you so much. And I think I'm gonna love these. So I love the Hythe blankets. I think I have 3. They're fantastic. I've gifted them before as well. They're just great. So it's like a little pink pair and a gray pair. I'm super happy. I always have my feet cold, especially when we go on a cruise. My feet are always cold. So I'm very excited. We're going on a cruise in 2 weeks. So excited to have these. And I would have purchased another pair for $11. I should have purchased more. But anyway, very happy to have these. And, but those throwbacks were great too. Okay, now we're finally at the last customization, which is customization number 6. The prices, the add-on prices were also $11. However, the swap credit for this was $8. So $1 more, but still $11 add-on price. So what we had here was the AG Care Conditioning Mist Detangling Spray, the Wander Beauty Lip Setter, 2 pairs of earrings that were studs. Then you had the Perricone MD Pore Minimizing Toner. Then you had the Yummy Mona Shaping Short in several different sizes, the Fry Belt, again in several different sizes, a digital offer of House of Spoils. Then you had a throwback for the NARS Afterglow Sensual Shine Lipstick in High Gear, the Espresso Cups. Then you had a puzzle from Kate Spade that was, I think for New York or Christmas or something. But again, I got exactly what I thought, which was the shaping shorts. So I got the size small, medium. They look small. I have not tried them on yet, but they seem to be good quality. And obviously they always look small. That's why they're shaping, because they're tight. They're compression, but they seem to be really nice, and they seem to be nice and short so that you can wear them under, you know, like a dress, but you're not going to show. So I'm happy. You know, I figured, you know, the add-on price was $11. Yeah, I like this. So I'll definitely use them. Who cannot use shaping shorts, right? I'm sure there's some people that don't need them, but I do. And yeah, so can't complain with the, you know, some compression wear. Okay, so there you have it. That is my winter 2025 FabFitFun unboxing. I'm very happy with it. I'm very happy with it. It feels wintry, especially the candle. The candle just makes it feel wintry. Yes, that item became damaged. I do feel like FabFitFun will make it right. I will post in pin a comment when I get the resolution for what it is. But other than that, I'm fairly happy with it. I think, you know, the shaping short, the socks are great. I definitely got my money's worth. I definitely got my money's worth. Very happy with it. And so I am curious though, if you have a seasonal box, let me know what your throwbacks were. Did you have the same throwbacks that I did? And I will post all the items below, and the ones that are throwbacks I will add. But let me know in the comments below. Did you have the same throwbacks as the annual subscribers? Did you have different throwbacks? I'm kind of curious. And since I don't have access to the seasonal when it opens, I really can't tell. But let me know in the comments below. But, and then also let me know what you got, what you chose. Did you skip? Did you decide, you know, what did you get? And with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.